Hey, Dan here. Today we're looking at a 2014 Kia Optima. Customer had called and said their wife was driving the car. All of a sudden it quit running. They weren't quite sure what was going on. They checked the oil. They noticed there wasn't any oil on the dipstick. They added some oil thinking that maybe it was a fail-safe with the computer that shut the motor down before it hurt itself, but then they couldn't get any result trying to start the car. It wouldn't do anything. Brought the car in, lifted it up, put a wrench on the crankshaft pulley, and sure enough, that engine was locked up. Unfortunately, they had run the vehicle out of oil and it had caused the engine to fail. We offered a solution of a new engine or a used engine to get the vehicle back on the road. They chose the used option, which always comes with a warranty depending on where we get it from. So if you have a vehicle that unfortunately has locked the motor up or is making some unusual engine noises, you want to make sure that you catch it before it doesn't cause a catastrophic failure. Please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.